Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing this glam rock black eyeliner look with this nude lip. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. We're going in with some concealer just to prime the eyes, and I'm blending it out with a really disgustingly dirty beauty blender. I'm using the NARS Laguna bronzer just to contour my eye shape and add a little bit of definition, so we're blending that into the crease. I'm using a black eyeshadow to outline where I'm going to place the winged eyeliner. This is really great just because if you make any mistakes, it's super easy to clean up. And then I'm going in with the tattoo liner from Kat Von D just to define the wing and create a really rich black eyeliner look. I'm going into the tear duct just to add a little bit of definition and pull the winged liner down. And I'm using the black eyeshadow again along the lower lash line. I'm using a Q-tip just to clean everything up, and then a baby wipe to clean up the mess I made with the Q-tip. I'm just defining the lower lash line with the liquid liner, and now we're going on to the base. So I'm applying concealer and this Milani foundation, which has amazing coverage. And then setting it with the MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm using the Laguna bronzer again, and you can tell I struggled to open it, and I'm just applying it to my cheekbones, my jawline and my forehead. And then I actually contoured my nose, which I don't normally do. Blending everything out as always, and then I'm using this really pretty bright pink blush just to add some colour back into my face. I'm using a cream eyeliner just to create the illusion of bigger eyes in my waterline, and I'm applying mascara as usual. I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz to create a really fluffy, thick brow to contrast with the heavy eyeliner look. And then onto lips. So I'm using this lip liner from Rimmel that's very old and well loved, and just outlining my lips. I'm using this Ruddy Brick nude colour from Colourpop. I originally picked a lighter lip colour, but actually thought this would look better and balance everything out. So we're just filling in my lips, and we're done. That is the final look. Let me know if you recreate it, let me know what you think in the comments, like, subscribe, the usual, and I will see you next time.